Hello students, welcome to you in this video. Param Guru Pathsala English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Master Kamini. Today I am going to class for class 1 and my subject name is EVS. Unit number 3, that is food and water. In previous video, I will cover the topic that whole lessons, whole chapters with the explanation of activity and eating time, and we should eat foods, which kinds of food we have to eat, and good eating habits, water, use of water. Now today I cover topic that solve chapter exercise, that is your exercise lessons, that you have to pay attention here and listen me carefully. So let's start. This is your textual page, that is EVS Cordova textbook, EVS term 1, page number 155. When you got your textbook, then you have to copy it down from your mobile to your textbook exercise also. And today that exercise, which exercise I will explain you, you have to copy down in your notebook also. So here exercise A and B, that is your written form exercise, because of there is no classroom exercise right now today. That is not your classroom exercise. When that this is your classroom exercise, oral question and quiz, then you have to give me answer in front of my classroom. But there is no classroom and we have to online videos, that you have to write down answer in your notebook, that I will explain you. And exercise C and D also I will explain you. Okay, exercise C is your match the following. Exercise D is your fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Help box में आपको क्या दिया है, words दिए. With the help of that words you have to fill up your blanks. Now A and B I will explain you. Dear student, listen me carefully. Here, how many meals do you have in a day? How many meals do you have in a day? डे में कितने meals की मैंने बात की थी, फिक्स टाइम में बात की थी. 3, THREE, 3, that is morning time, breakfast, afternoon time, lunch, and night time, dinner. Okay, dear students. Wait. Sorry, dear students. This is your oral question, that how many meals do you have in a day? That is answer 3. THREE, 3. Second number. Where do we get water from? That I will explain you the sources of water, that we get water from rain, rivers, ponds and wells. Okay, dear students, now I will explain you exercise B, that is your quiz. Name 2 foods that give us energy. I will explain you the energy giving food, and this is answer, that is your rice and sugar. Number 2, which type of food should we avoid for dinner? That is रात के खाने को कौन सा खाना खाना चाहिए? That is we should avoid oily food for dinner. हमको रात को तला हुआ खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. And we have to complete our food at 7 to 9 o'clock. Okay, now I will explain you the exercise C and D, that is your match the following and blanks. So pay attention here. C. Here you are in a KG section to upgrade student in a first standard, so you have to match like this. But in next standard, that is second standard, this is not good for study. That is we have to match with different way. I will show you, but right now it's going on. Number 1, rice, butter and sugar. Rice, butter and sugar, that is answer B, gives us energy. Number 2, food we have at night is called answer C, dinner. Number 3, all living things, answer A, need water. Number 4, wash your hands, Answer E. Before and after every meal. 5. Food makes us. Answer D. Strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Now fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Number 1. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play. Second number, we cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. Number third, eat slowly and chew well. खाना स्लोली खाना चाहिए और पूरी तरह से च्यू मीन्स चबा के खाना चाहिए. So here we have to discuss about your textual exercise A, B, C, D. A and B write down in the notebook. Same I have to seen you. And C and D, if you when you got your textbook or if you have your textbook, then match in your textbook and copy down in your notebook. Here I will show you once again, that is question answer and exercise C and D. Now I will explain you the exercise E and F. Exercise E. Complete the following sentences that we eat food because. हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? बिकॉज सामने देखो पिक्चर भी दिया गया है फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स का. एंड गिवन द सेंटेंसेस ऑल्सो. इट गिव्स अस ब्लैंक्स. इट मेक्स अस ब्लैंक्स एंड ब्लैंक्स. It help us blanks. That is, I will show you the answer also. And F exercise, that is your value corner exercise that you don't need to write down in your notebook. Just I will show you the textual page, and you have, if you when you got your textbook, then you have to fill up your textbook's answer. Okay dear students, now I will show you the answer page also. See, we eat food. हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? Because it gives us. Answer 1, energy. Second number, we eat food because it makes us strong and healthy. हमको strong and healthy बनाता है. Number 3, we eat food because it help us grow. हम खाना खाते हैं तो बढ़ते हैं ना. Same. So you have to write down 3 blanks or 4 blanks types of answer. Complete the following sentence in your notebook. Now F exercise, showing your value corner exercise, that is, look at the picture and cross the pictures that shows wastage of water. इसमें से ऐसा कौन सा पिक्चर है जो पानी को वेस्ट कर रहा है? That is number 1. C, the monkey brushing that teeth and the water or tap of the basin, it's open. खुले नल से वो ब्रश कर रहा है और पानी नीचे बेसिन में बह जा रहा है. सो इट्स कैरीड क्रॉस एंड आई विल पुट द अनस्माइली फेस ऑल्सो. देखो वो फेस स्माइली नहीं है, कैसा लटका हुआ मुंह वाला फेस मैंने बनाया है. सेम वे आप टेक्स्ट बुक में बना लेना. एंड नंबर 3 पिक्चर, सी how they waste the water. Monkey bathing with the shower fountain, and how they wasted the water. It's a waste of water. So number 3 carries also cross and unsmiley face. Now second number, that is very useful for water, that they planting watering the plant. See, very good activity monkey doing. So second number carries right. Okay dear student, that I will put smiley face. Okay, this one F exercise for your only and only textual exercise, and E exercise you have to complete in your notebook. Now your textual exercise, that is taste yourself, and at last I will explain you fun time also. See that tick the correct answer. MCQ type of 2 question you have to solve. Okay, here I will not show you the answer, so you have to answer in front of your parents. Number 1, we should not blanks food. क्या आएगा आंसर? A, cook. Second, eat. और third, C, waste. So here answer come C, that is waste food. We should not waste food. खाने को वेस्ट करना नहीं चाहिए. Second number, fruits and vegetables keeps us blanks. A, healthy. B, sick. C, dull. Answer is come in A, healthy. Fruits and vegetable keeps us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. The answer A, HEALTHY, healthy. These two MCQ you have to same copy down in your notebook. I will show you the answer page also. See, here I will write down the answer that A, we should, tick the correct answer. Number 1, we should not see, that is answer, waste food. We should not waste food. Fruits and vegetable keeps us healthy. Okay, now I will give you one fun time exercise. This is your textual exercise that you have to do in your notebook compulsory, because it's a very good exercise or fun time activity. One kinds of, we have to say that it's a fun time activity. Okay, let's see. That is 6 food items. 6 food items are hidden in the magic box given below. ये मैजिक बॉक्स है, आपको इसमें 6 food items दी गई है. फाइंड देम एंड राइट इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड. हियर 6 ब्लैंक्स भी दिया गया है, आपको उसमें उसका आंसर लिखना है. If you have textbook, then see the page number 156, and here there the magic box is given and all the letters also write down on that, and you have to identify just the spelling of the food, 6 food items. See picture properly, zoom in your mobile and see the picture. You clearly identify the 6 items of the food items. If you seen completely, then I will show you the next page of answer also, but you at least you have to try to be based that you have to, without showing the answer page, you have to fill up the answer in front of your parents, because this is your mind game exercise also, that you have to know about which kinds of spelling jumbled here and given, and you have to write down from your textbook and then copy down in your notebook. If you seen completely, then I will show you the next page. Okay, it takes 1 minute for you, that you have to show the all spelling and try to be solve yourself. I will give you the answer page also, but I will try my best that you have to solve yourself. 6 food items are hidden in the magic box, clearly seen. Okay, now I will show you the second page of your answer. C. First spelling is dal, that is your front magic box front picture, front letter, that DAL, dal. Second picture in later on, cheese, CHEESE, cheese. Third picture, noodles, then fourth one line, NOODLES, noodles. Okay, now fourth number, rice. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6, sixth number line, you can see very clearly that RICE, rice. And 5 number picture is that MILK, milk, that given in the last line, MILK, milk. And number 6 is that your bread, 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 that BREAD, bread. Okay, 6 food items given in that magic box, and you have to must identify that pictures and you have to write down in your notebook. So today's homework is that you have to copy down your exercise A, B, C, D, E. F is not write down or not need to write down in your notebook. Only F exercise up to A to F you have to write down in your notebook, and taste yourself also write down, and fun time that I have to explain right now also you have to write down. Here your chapter completely over, that is chapter 3, that food and water. With the starting video I will explain you the one activity, then explain the lesson, also that lesson I over, and exercise also today over. Later we will soon with our next lesson, and I hope you understood all kinds of exercise and lessons also. So dear students, all the best, and you have to copy down your homework completely in your notebook. We will meet with our next lesson, that we need a house. Prepare chapter 1 2 3 completely. We will meet with our next lessons. All the best.